Hey guys, welcome to the 2 a.m. pipe on the patio. Tonight I am smoking my Savinelli 814 KS straight grain, and in it I am smoking some Haunted Pirate Ship. And not only can I taste it, but I can feel it. Woohoo! I love this stuff. So I got a couple tins of Haunted Bookshop on the way. One of those is going to get mixed up into Haunted Pirate Ship. Because I love this stuff. I was watching that World Series and I was thinking, man, we got us a good World Series going here today, and then all of a sudden the floodgates opened and it wasn't so much of a good World Series game after all. But I'm pulling for Washington. Because they beat the Dodgers, and that's good enough for me to root for them for. So let me grab my onion tamper here. I was looking for my other tamper here, but I don't see it. Must have left that in the house. Hope I didn't leave it outside here earlier. Nope. So I was watching Paladin Piper, a video he did. I guess it was from a while ago. I don't think it was recently. May have been recently, I'm not sure. But he was showing his pipe wrap that he has, his leather pipe wrap, his everyday carry pipe wrap. And it was just incredibly cool. I was wondering what you guys use for your everyday carry, for carrying your pipes around. I'd like to see what you guys use. just for carrying stuff around every day when you go out and about. I'm looking for ideas. I really liked Paladin's leather wrap, and I'm looking for something like that. But the place that made his is no longer open right now. It says they're temporarily closed. So I'm kind of looking for something similar to what he has, a leather wrap where you fold it into thirds, and it has a leather strap that you wrap it up with. And I'd like to see what you guys are using, where you got it. If you guys could either do a video response showing me yours, or just put a link to yours, or whatever you want to do. But I'd really be interested in seeing what you guys are using, because his was amazing. His was really cool, and I'd really like to see what other ones are out there. I've seen a couple, but they seemed really like they were really thick leather, and they were kind of cumbersome. His was really, it just seemed perfect to me. For what I'm looking for. Some of these other ones seem like they were really, they had just super secret compartments everywhere, and they were just too much. I just need one for 1 or 2 pipes, tobacco, a tamper, and a lighter, and that's all I really need it for. And some, pipe cleaners or something to throw in there, just enough to, you go out for the day, and you got what you need for the day if you're going out. But it doesn't have to be a leather wrap. It could be whatever you're using. Just show me what you guys are using. I'd just love to see what you guys are using. I've been using a little, I got it from Mel Harris. It's a little, I forget what they call them. It's like a military type, small little, bag like that, and you can fit a pipe in there, some tobacco, a couple little pocket for a. It works pretty well for one pipe and a little bit of tobacco. Tactical, like a tactical bag type thing, canvas, nylon type thing. But I'd like to see what else you guys are using, and I will do a video for what I have, what I'm using, and I'll do that tomorrow. But I'd really like to see what you guys are using. So if you don't mind doing a VR, showing me what it is you guys use for your everyday carry, for your pipe, tobacco, cleaners, lighters, whatever you use, I'd really be interested in seeing that. Some of you guys may just use your pockets. I understand that. I've done that as well. But It's always fun. It's always fun to see what guys are using, you know, what other guys carry, all the paraphernalia guys use for the hobbies. Well, anyway, I am at 10 minutes, so I'm going to cut this here. I don't like to go over 10 minutes by too much, so I will catch you guys later. Anybody who wants to do a VR, I'd really appreciate it, man. We'll talk to you guys later. Have a good night. Have a good day tomorrow. God bless each and every one of you guys. I love y'all. Have a good one.